I'm here in Abergele at the Household Recycling Centre today. As you may know, we reopened these sites this week here in Abergele and in Mochtra also. Just need to let you know, of course, there's a booking system in place. So if there are items that you can't recycle at your curbside and you want to come into a recycling centre to do that work, then please either book online or give us a call. We are, as of next week, the 1st of June, restarting our curbside bulky waste collections as well. So if you need any bulky items picking up from your home, please book online on our website or give us a call and we'll make sure that bulky waste is collected for you. So thank you again for using our booking system online, for coming to recycling centres, and thank you to all our really hard-working staff at this time.
Now we've got our main household waste recycling centres open at Mochtra and Abergele, we will be looking at trying to get our monthly collection sites around the rural areas of the county up and running as soon as possible. We will let you know about this as soon as we can. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all our curbside recycling staff and residual waste collection staff who have been working non-stop and on schedule right the way through this situation we find ourselves in. Without them turning up on a day-to-day basis, there'll be major issues with waste in the county, and they've done a phenomenal frontline job. And I've got to thank them with all my heart for their very hard work.